To view the morning announcements, turn on your TV. After your TV turns on, to access the internet browser, click on the House button. Click on Browser. The WMS Morning Announcements homepage will open up. Our first task will be at 8:15 to play CNN 10. To access CNN 10, click on the picture or the link that says here. A pop-up window might ask you to allow. Hit allow. CNN 10 will play. At 8:27 a.m., the Pledge of Allegiance will be said over the PA system. After the pledge, please play the morning announcements by clicking on the YouTube channel button or the picture of the morning news. YouTube will open up, the video will appear, and please press play. If you have any questions, please contact the tech team.